planting of the tree should only happen if the tree has grown up enough to be cut, so that you can, the value addition and all that, it can do that. But you can't cut a tree when it's just coming up, because whatever is giving is more value than cutting that tree and trying to get wood or timber or whatever.
Major large lands within the county, some public and private, some private versus private, a lot of lands that are making environmental conservation become difficult. We have people who, undisputed land is not very easy to nurture trees. On grab land is not easy to nurture trees. So we are saying we have an initiative we are calling the alternative justice system or alternative dispute resolution, whereby we are that tree planting becomes a success both on private land and also on public land.
Tuna sites katika kila location. Kila location inapanda miti 2,000. So katika locations 12 hiyo ni 24,000. Tuna site kubwa pale kwa Kenya prisons, so the 3 prisons are doing 20,000. Tuna site nyingine ambao tukiwa na county government tumepanga kupanda hapa karibu na Lake Naivasha zaidi ya miti 2,000. Tunapanda kule kwa KWS Training Institute, KWS National Park kule. So katika jumla yote Naivasha leo tunapanda miti 50,000.
The stations whereby all these trees have been planted, we have ensured that we are parameter walls.